Hi guys, कैसे हैं आप सब? Today I'm going to introduce you to something that I have personally loved and it has worked wonders on my skin. This is the tiny cute machine which is called Queen's Lift by Dr. Umaira and it works wonders. I'm going to show you how. The best part about it is that it stimulates collagen production and increases blood circulation. इसमें दो मोड हैं. The blue mode is for skin toning and the red mode is for warm massage, product absorption and face lifting. Just drop some adequate amount of serum or cream over your face and gently massage using the different corners of Queen's Lift. This tip head helps in stimulating facial acupuncture and the other two sides are for absorbing the skincare products. I love the results that Queen's Lift gives me just with 5 minutes of massage daily. It makes me feel fresh and glowy. I love it. I hope you do try it.